What's up, guys? Back in the garage. I've been working on the bumper, getting that SS ducting cut out, slitting the bumper that I was talking about. I'm gonna be jumping around all over the place with this truck, just doing little projects that I don't get too bored on, or like I don't get excessively overworked in that one area. So I'll be bouncing around. There's gonna be a ton of videos, but right now I got the bumper back on. It looks pretty killer. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but at least like the cutouts are done. I know what it's actually gonna look like. I like it. I'm gonna continue doing it. So check this stuff out, guys. Alright, so here it is. Brake ducts cut out. And then the center section there. I think it's gonna look killer with the look of the whole truck here.
This is for the dreamers.
Still haven't got the sides set up or anything, but we'll still figure that out. Alright, so went ahead and got the duct welded in here, obviously. What I did was figured out what my distance between this was, found my center point here, and basically started out with a flat piece of steel here. And found out pretty much where the center of this sheet was, lined it up with the center where my ducting was. From there, what I basically did, found out where the top of my corner was, which is about here and about here, marked it on my sheet metal as well. And then because I don't have machines to be doing it, you know, I don't have any presses, I don't have any sheet metal tools basically. Too small of a garage to be doing that. Basically just used some piping and did a 90-degree bend with the piping, and then stuck my sheet in here. Once I got it all fitted into these radiuses here, I stuck it in here, figured out how far I wanted it to go. Wanted to go as deep as this, so it was sticking out farther out on the side. I had to cut this off afterwards, but once I had it set in here, I ran my marker on the inside edge here, found out where all my line was going to be, or where this was going to sit. Went ahead, took it out, cut it, put it right up against the back side of this, and then just welded the whole edge of this, the whole seam, and then finished it out. I have a belt sander that works pretty well. I don't have 220 in my garage just yet, so I'm not working with any compressor. I don't have pneumatic tools working with me. I have them, I can't use them because I don't have the compressor. So what I'm doing is I'm just using all 110 tools. Went ahead and got this guy, Amazon, 55 bucks. Pretty well worth it. I mean, it takes a lot longer than the pneumatic one, but it works. It's a lot thicker as well. But I mean, as you can see, the welds and everything is finished out pretty well. And because I don't have 220, I am stuck using my Lincoln 100, and does not have gas either, so my welds aren't as great as I wish they were as well. But it does the job. It worked out. It took me a little bit longer than it usually would, but I think it's gonna look killer. I put it on the truck, mocked it up. I'll show you guys later on, but it is pretty badass looking, I'll tell you what. So got both ducts welded in. Fully welded up in there. Finished it out kind of how I like it. I think it's gonna be pretty stout. This one I still gotta finish out these welds, but it's out pretty good. Got the ducts welded in fully, both sides this time. Welds aren't like 100% great because I didn't have the right tools, but they turned out all right. Ended up welding this lip in here. So now it actually looks like it's supposed to be in the bumper. And then got this duct all squared away. Like I was saying, it was crooked on the bumper, but it's not crooked anymore. Took a 1/4 inch out of this corner, lifted it, cut this whole corner off here, and moved it all up. Ton of welding, ton of grinding. Emphasis on the grinding because this welder kind of sucks for this job, but pretty much done with the front end for now, or the front bumper at least, till I get some ducts made up or figure out what style I want to do, like honeycomb or mesh or whatnot. But overall, I think it looks killer. I'm stoked on it.